What's up, guys and gals? Welcome back to Flatirons Tuning for another product showcase. It's Dylan here, and I wanted to talk to you guys about some aluminum control arm options. With Subaru discontinuing some of the older, even OEM replacements for GD chassis WRXs, we've been taking a look at these new SuperPro arms, and they actually re-released a new version that we wanted to show to you guys. So in the past, Subaru had a factory option for these aluminum control arms, and you could purchase them straight from the dealership. But sadly, the last batch of those is out in the wild, and we've sold our lot, and we haven't been able to find any for quite a bit. So for the last year now, we've been selling the SuperPro 004 kit, and that was basically the same thing as this new one, the 0020 kit. The big difference being that they've included some extra bushings. These bushings work for multiple different subframes. So you can use this arm kit on a JDM subframe or a USDM subframe, giving you some added versatility with the same kit. The new kit comes with the same rear anti-lift bushing that helps improve caster, as well as some of the other geometry adjustments that the Subaru arms had. And as I mentioned before, they include some extra front bushings, so you can put them on multiple subframes. So they have all the benefits from the old Subaru kits, plus some extra versatility. And great design, great fit and function. Recently, Morgan from the warehouse put these onto his bug eye, and he's been loving the results. Thanks for tuning in, y'all. As always, stay tuned with Flatirons Tuning. Make sure to check out our newsletter, our YouTube membership, and all the socials for all the new stuff.